Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider and this is my 43rd video lecture on expert advisors. In this video I'll be going to tell you something about how you can create a trial version for your expert advisor. Let's say you have created an awesome expert advisor that always ends up in profits, and you started thinking to sell it. I mean, if you have hundreds of clients for your expert advisor and you want to sell them, and they ask you for a trial version. Let's say a client comes to you and he asks you that he is interested in buying your expert advisor, and you have written an awesome expert advisor and you want the very expert advisor to be sold out. Okay, and the client asks you to give him a trial version of that expert advisor, and and you say, oh, Bilal didn't taught me about how to make a trial version. So in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can create a trial version of your expert advisor. Okay, we'll be using date time data type of Mql4 programming language, and we will be using it inside our expert advisor, and we'll create a trial version. Okay, for this video part, I have created a new script for me, and I call it trial version script, and later on you will be using this code inside your expert advisors. Okay, so let me go ahead and start. The first two things I have pasted in here, that is a starting date and one ending date, and you have to write the date following this pattern, like a capital D. You have to declare a date time variables, call it any name you want. I called my starts, and I have written this day, this D, with this apostrophe sign, maybe it's called apostrophe, and single quotes. This is a single quote. Okay, and inside these two single quotes I have written my starting date, like today it's 25th of February. I want this expert advisor to work between 24th of February until 5th of March. Okay, I want this expert advisor to work between these two dates. Okay, so now that I have declared two date time variables, and I have specified sorry two dates in here, one starting date and one ending date. Now I will create a one if condition in here, where I will compare time current. If time current is greater than or equals to starts, and time current is less than or equals to ends, I want this expert advisor to do its job. Okay, so whatever the code we have written for our expert advisor, let's say I have written this always in profit expert advisor, and I will do one thing in here. I will surround it by this if condition in here. So after the date will expire, like after the date the date will go higher than 5th of March, it will stop working. It will not do its job. Okay, so now as I have told you about how you can write this trial version for your expert advisor. Now let me go ahead and make one alert alert function in here to check whether it works or not. Your expert advisor is doing its job. Okay, and under else we will write alert, sorry, the trial version, the trial period is over now. Okay, expert is no longer working. Okay, so now let's go ahead and compile it and see if we get any errors. No errors. Now let me go ahead and drag my script onto my chart window and see. Okay, as the date is in between those dates we specified there, the expert advisor is doing its job. Okay, and one more thing I must tell you, that this time current function returns the time of the server and not the local time of the client's PC. Okay, so if you will be using time local in here, then your client may cheat you and he can stop the date from going a specified date, and it will keep using your expert advisor. Okay, so if you will be using time current function, it will return you the time of the server, and he can never stop this time. Okay, because it's the server's time, it cannot be stopped. Okay, now let's go ahead and change the dates and see in other case if it works or not. Let me go ahead and type 22 and let me compile it. And as I have specified the date from February 1 until 20th February, it should work between these dates. And if I drag and drop my script onto my chart, it says that sorry, the trial period is over now, expert is no longer working. Okay, so now now you have learned how to make a trial version for your expert advisor. I hope you have learned something, and when you will be making awesome expert advisors, you will be selling them to your clients, and that's all. Thank you for watching my tutorial. See you next time.